kind of valley covered with water, like a river, like a lake or something. Yeah, that's what I heard in the history of Kathmandu many centuries ago. It's just all water. It's a valley. Now it's very large, biggest city in Nepal, Kathmandu, capital city. It's a little bit foggy, so probably later I can show you better view. There's a Hindu temple. In Nepal is very different, than other country. Hindu temple and Buddhist temple exist side by side everywhere. It's kind of mixed religion. People follow both Buddhism and Hinduism side by side. This is a unique thing in Kathmandu, in Nepal, very large. You can see here Gompa here, the Hindu temple. This is a Hindu temple, right? The shape, the dome. And in the middle, this is the Buddhist stupa, the very holy sites. And here's again Hindu temple or stupa, dome. Today, January 28th, Sunday, I'm in Nepal. And I'm here at the Swoyambu temple in Kathmandu. Beautiful, beautiful place. I'll show you around. All right. There we go. It's a beautiful place. I used to come here because I live not that far away, Swoyambu. And this is the long stair. You have to come from there, from the downside, but we came from the backside, so I'm just taking a shot. I don't know how many stairs, probably 200, 300 stairs. Alright, it's early morning, around 10 o'clock, second morning. I will show you a little bit farther. Here is the dorje, the big dorje here. This is in Kathmandu, and very beautiful sights. There's like a lot of monks here taking around, maybe from Bhutan or Sikkim. Looks like doesn't look like local monk, right? It's very beautiful, but it's still foggy, so we cannot. The weather is very nice today. Not really cold, not very hot. Perfect weather. A little further. Top
I see. See that?